everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. Now, talking about the Sagittarius zodiac. So, for Sagittarius, for love this month, it seems like if you're single, you can be very much overwhelmed with the things not working out for you, or maybe you can feel a sense of loneliness as well, and you can be very worried and stressed about you not having someone. So, this can be a month where you can feel that maybe relationships and not just about romantic relationship, maybe the other relationships can also put you in some kind of stress as well, so you can feel that things are not working out and everything. But it seems like you are stressing more and the situations may not be as bad as you're thinking. So it's more about you figuring out other ways to divert your attention towards something productive and getting out of that rut. And when it comes to, if you're already in a relationship, then it seems like there can be little matters, or maybe even the big things can be there that can put you in a situation of overthinking. You can stress about a lot of your relationship working, not working, and that relationship stress can be there. But again, with communicating with the better harmony, things can be resolved, because things may not be as bad as you're thinking. So the solution would be there, but you may be too I would say sensitive to deal with the matters, that you may not see the solutions ahead. So this is important for you to get out of that rut, take some action, and eventually feel that I would say different perspective as well when it comes to dealing with love and relationship. And talking about your career wise, things can be good. You can find yourself being in leadership positions. There can be a sense of dominance as well. You can feel, maybe if already, especially if you are in a power position kind of a thing, so you can feel that there are people who look up to you, and you have that strength to guide others. So this is very important for you to eventually guide others with humbleness, because there can be a sense of ego as well that can make you feel that you are everything. So this is something that you have to deal with. Be humble. You can execute things with creativity, with good energy as well, and all of these situations can work well in your favor. It is a favorable month for you, so there can be some advances in your career as well, like getting better positions in your career. So this can be a good month for your career. And when it comes to the finances, then there seems to be a good stability in your finances as well. You can be also very possessive when it comes to your money. You can be very cautious when it comes to spending your money as well. So you need to be, I would say, a little more just little more lenient. This doesn't mean that just go out and just spend everything you have. It is just about you releasing a bit of control, just because you have to enjoy that money as well. So don't be too possessive when it comes to money. But yes, the stability, the growth can be there when it comes to your finances. And talking about your oracle advice this month, so it is Clover, which is release your guilt. So if there have been certain things that are not making you happy, if you are still thinking that maybe you could have done that, maybe you could have done this, or if you know that you were wrong at a certain point of your life, then it seems like you have to forgive yourself and eventually release that guilt and let those emotions go, because obviously you can make mistakes, but it is important to address them, accept them, and eventually learn from them, so you can be a better person, releasing that guilt, and doing better deeds ahead, correcting your behavior in that aspect as well. So this is something you need to take care of this month. And yes, that's it. Have a great day.